Guys, there's a new name of mart here you can shop because I was wondering what's inside. So let's see for new videos upcoming to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go. I'm confused. Okay, we need to go to shop or what? Let's see what gonna buy there inside. Okay, I'm confusing. Uy, later. A what? That's why I was wondering. I go inside to check. Maybe it's cheaper. Let's go. Oh, hi. By the way, Robert, what's inside? Is it a grocery or same like PBs before? Like there's a you can shopping, clothes or some.
Everything. We have some sporting goods and family games and cleaning supplies.
What's your name again?
Maya.
Maya. Okay.
And we have
So I came here just I was wondering what's inside. Why is Philmart? It's like a
so Walmart is like an overstocked store and returns from Costco, and they get
Costco?
and they get
Oh.
shipped here,
Oh.
and we put them out on the vegetables.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Just wondering why inside. What's inside?
Yeah, close.
Yeah.
One more spice.
I check. Yeah. Hey, this is what inside the Philmart. It's cheaper, 20 to 30% off. So if you want a golf or clothes, the most cheapest maybe is like a ukay-ukay in the Philippines. But it's new, not used. See? Nice color. I like to buy, but the problem I have a lots of different clothes in the house. So just only checking. Maybe there's some beautiful clothes that fits to me. That for hopefully I use that for gold in the gold range. It's already I made it. So let's see. That's why I'm going inside. Okay. Oy, Benetton. Benetton color $29.99. So it's branded. What else? I like the color, but it's like cotton also. Cotton, medium size with a country music. Okay. Different types of clothes for winter. For winter, this area, there's a fittings area there. Oh, Bench. I like this brand, Bench. But it's like use. It's like use. I like Bench. My all-time favorite clothes in the Philippines. 19. Nice, huh? Maybe after take the salary, 1994, less 20 to 30%. I like the color. There's a two same size, medium and large color. There's a tag, brand new, made in China. Bench. I like it. But it's plain color. Combination of green, mix, and gray. I like it. Large and medium. Okay, that's good. Wow. This Tommy Hilfiger. Isa. Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, there's a brown also. XL. It's a lady clothes. Ladies area. Is it big? It's coming from the Costco company. So there's a Dickies pants. Nice, huh? It's branded. There's a branded, not branded. It's okay, huh? It's big, like a Walmart. It's coming from the Costco company. See? Benetton. See? United Colors of Benetton. It's a sleeve. $24.99. Nice, huh? What's the problem? I have a lots of different clothes. Banana Republic. See? Banana Republic made in China. Only $19.99. See? It's good, huh? See? Costco, one of the famous wholesale in Canada. Wholesaler in Canada. The very famous Costco is a wholesaler from Canada. So that's the source of this product. So if you want a Benetton and Banana Republic, see, Banana Republic, a signature brand made in China. This is the place to be. See the socks? It's a Gap. It's about only $19.99, less 20 to 30. Okay. It's cheaper. There's a Pila. It's $14.99. Okay. Uy, It's my all-time favorite in the Philippines. 21.99 is a bench. I like this bench signature. Yes. Wow. Philippines. Kirkland. Different signature gap socks. New Balance, Wonk. See, the Levi's is $29.99, 505. 505, $29.99. What size is this? What size is this? 32? 32. Maganda yan. Okay. It's a Levi's size 32. I like the color and the cuts. It's 505. So, darling, how much the cost of this? The less 20 to 30?
So $29.99,
Less 30, 40.
and then subtract.
Is this the only one?
It might be. So these would come out to $20, and then times 1.9. Your total for just that would be $23. It might be the only one. I'm not too sure. We kind of have.
Because that is the only one here. See?
If it could be the only one, you'd have to keep looking to see if you have more pairs.
Do you have other stock or only this?
Pardon?
Is this the only one stock?
I'm pretty sure it's the only one.
Oh.
We could have more. Relative strength on our fitness.
Okay. So there's a coming stock like this after this. Can I pitch this? This is the nearest pitch here. The pitch here. Okay. 23 You sure? You sure it's 23 30%, right? 30%? Okay, let's try this. 29.99 less 30% become 23 only. Okay. Sorry.
Aren't you checking though?
I did.
Are you done, sir? Not
No,
yet.
I-
Okay. Let's try. I like the pits. This Levi's is like a stonewash color, a little bit faded. It's cheap. Shopping time. See? The tag waterless. See? 29.99 become less 30 become 23. Spiders. Nice, huh? Cheap. Levi's 3230. 3230 waistline. I tried the 32. It's cheap. Let's see. Finally, first time if ever in 2025. It's cheaper. Less 20 from coming from Costco. $23.25. Hala. It's wide. It's wide and long. It's nice. This is the previous PB's former PB's store. Okay. So this is now it's like a shopping center. Okay. Lots of people observer and to look at what's inside. So this is the last one. So I need this for charge. Okay guys. Oh! Shoppers ka rin pala. I can see ah. Guys, it's good. A little bit small only because I'm good. Got to go to 36 size. So I think it's good. It's the cheapest size. The belt. 32 small. The belt is 49.
Just saying.
19. 49, 39. Burn. I like this blue. Okay. This size is 32 only. 34 size. Okay. So you have a lots of choice. Dickies pants for work. Even the jogging pants. See? It's cheaper. 19 less 20 only. What size? Large. So if you need sleeping clothes, 24.29. XL, Tommy Hilfiger and Buffalo. There's Columbia, Joe Boxer. New balance, touch speeds, different choice. See, it's good. So if you are little shoppers, try this. It's cheap. See, jackets, safety clothes. See, mics. $3.99. Disc brake. $3.99 only. Double disc brake. Double disc brake. $3.99. $4.99. Double disc also. Nice, different, double disc, double disc. The price $5.39. $5.39, almost 20,000, almost 30. North Rock. North Rock. How much this North Rock? $4.89. And this one, double disc North Rock. Double disc Shimano also. The 10 speed and the 5 speed Shimano. The tire is good. $4.89. Nice. Slight pure alloy. Nice. See, it's only for $89.99, so it's equivalent $4.90. See, North Rock front push. Slight, very light. See, pure alloy. Nice. See the mugs. Gold bag. Nice. Tailgate bike. You want cooking? If you are going to mountain, you have lots of stuffs, toys, bag. See? Boating, camping, Pullman for camping. Got seats. Now the stock tires. Lower. This is light, a little bit heavy. So it is for the other parts from PVs, badminton set. See? Champions League. Gas, skiing, boat, or gym. That's inside gym. Body globe. See? That's everything inside. What you see, what you get. Copy. Electric scooter, 1,199. 1,199.99 electric scooter. See? And this is what you see, what you get. Okay, so that's all for now. There's materials from PVs before they left. See, that's the whole thing. So we're going back other parts. So that's all for now. We look to the other side. Drill bit. We need drill bit chip. See? Screws, different screws, gasket. Cabinet, chair. See? Wow, nice couch. Leather with nice design of the chair and the table. It's almost 1,399 including pillows, hopefully. So this is the leather couch, gray and brown. Okay. Carpets, different carpets. Dining table, chair, carpets, leather chair, can lay down, dining table, couch, leather. It's 600, but it's used 649. It's not used. Fridge, small dresser, and the chair. Electric strobe, like use or brand new. Fridge. $2,600. Silk roads. This loan machine. jackets, wheelbarrow, bikes, different tables, seat belts, horse, $2.99 dresser, small leather beds, different beds. See? Leather brown, single chair. This is the price, $319. Dresser, beds, porters.
Graduating from high school is quite an achievement. Congratulations to the graduating class of Redford School. This salute to the graduating class of 2025.
Cooking oil, pan, pan,
35 years. You can trim it and it can help you fasten it. 516 Nesbitt Drunk, Fort Southern Bolt.ca.
Discover estimated weather.
Periods of rain and thunder showers, a high of 15 degrees. Tonight, occasional rain, 5 to 10 mils.
TV stand in the wall,
Tomorrow, periods of rain
see
and thunder
lights,
showers, a mix of sun and cloud and a gusty wind.
chandelier, mini chandelier here.
Sunshine.
See?
You can always find us at the forecast anytime while you discover Escobar. I'm Jean Peters.
Luggage bag. This portion, this area. And other side is pan, heater. See? Plates. Massage machine. See? Chopping board. Spoon. Wipers, pan for summer, different wipers, filters, bags, heater, winter, filters, different filters. Battery for your drills